And a wet start for most of us this morning, I should say. A wet end to yesterday, too.
You know, it's all about location, location, location. We've got a lot of spots that are waking up this morning and saying, well, what rain are you talking about? But there's much of southern Illinois that...
I know we're seeing it.
Yeah, much of southern Illinois was quite wet through the overnight hours. Once again, tracking a round of storms still lingering across the region, and it is going to be with us here early this morning. I do think we're still going to see quite a bit of dry time, though, here for your second half of the weekend. Live view from the Sparta Airport looking back towards the north right now. We've got a couple storms developing just to the north of Sparta, so you can see those off in the distance. And if you get caught in some of these, they are producing a lot of very heavy rain. Today is going to be a hot and humid afternoon. Once we get rid of the rain, that's the good news. We'll get rid of some of the rain. The bad news is things are really going to heat up this afternoon. We're talking high temperatures near 90, and yes, the heat index, you combine that with the humidity, heat index values will be running near 100 degrees. Still a couple stray showers, stray storms possible through much of the daylight hours, even into the afternoon hours. And then Monday, very similar story. Hot, humid, maybe a couple storms, especially into the afternoon and evening hours on Monday, and a very wet pattern shaping up for Tuesday and Wednesday of this week. Now, over the last couple of hours, the heaviest rain has been focused in some of our far northern and northeastern counties through Jefferson, Wayne, and parts of Hamilton counties. Now, through the overnight, much of the heaviest rain actually was falling in parts of Union and Johnson counties. Some spots there actually picking up more than 2 inches of rain. Still tracking a few showers and storms rumbling across parts of Williamson County and starting to extend now into the western sections of Saline County as well. This is over near just to the south of Galatia, Harco Road, and the Route 13 corridor. That will continue to spread to the east once again over into Harrisburg, and another little shower there moving through Gallatin County, Shawneetown, back over near Equality. Those will continue to also move to the east. So again, a very active morning for much of the region. Now notice where this line is forming here right over top of us. It is starting to lift back to the north and east. We're tracking another big batch of storms out to our west, but all indications right now are that this will remain to our north. So again, expecting quite a bit of dry time by this afternoon. So by about mid to late morning, say about 11 a.m., most of the rain is starting to wrap up across the area. Heading into this afternoon, still a couple spot showers and storms possible. This is the heat of the afternoon, about 2 o'clock. And once again, those are focused in some of our north and eastern counties. If you're in western Kentucky, if you're in southeast Missouri, your chances of seeing rain today are actually quite slim. Anything that does redevelop this afternoon should fade away pretty quickly closer to sunset. Today, the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted those areas that could see a couple spot showers and storms in a level 1. So a storm or two this afternoon could quickly perk up and maybe be on the strong side with some gusty winds and some small hail. Talking about that active pattern coming up this week, and notice heavy rain is a possibility mainly into southern Illinois through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and possibly even into the second half of the week. Show you a live view as well from Benton this morning. Notice some of the raindrops there on the camera. Outside the rain, temperatures right now low to mid 70s. And once we get rid of the rain, we're talking afternoon highs running about 90 degrees this afternoon. Then you factor in the humidity, and heat index today will be near 100 degrees. So if you are outside, make sure you're drinking plenty of water. 90 degrees for an afternoon high temperature this evening. With the humidity, we're just not going to cool off very quickly. And looking ahead to the next few days here, 40% chance for showers and storms. That's focused late in the day Monday. We see our storm chances ramp up on Tuesday up to about an 80% chance there. 60% chance for showers and storms on Wednesday as well. It does appear that this week, Tuesday and Wednesday, will be our wettest days. And looking ahead to the holiday next Saturday, more scattered showers, more scattered storms, and more heat and humidity. The humidity, Danny, is going to be very, very high once again this afternoon.
Yeah, I was really hoping for the cool down with that rain we were getting.
We're getting into July almost.
All right.